Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix second monitor is not detected in Windows 10 or 11. If you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11 and you're facing the issue that your second monitor is not being shown or is not detecting, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to right click on your desktop or empty place on your desktop. You might see this tab menu, just select display settings from here. Select this. Now once you are in display settings, just scroll down and here you might see multiple displays. Click on it and here just click on detect. Very first you just have to click on detect or it will detect and the display if it's connected, or you can also connect to a wireless display using this connect option here. Just click on connect and it will find for wireless displays. Or if you're still facing the same issue that you are using a wired display but it's not detecting, so you can try to use Windows plus P from your keyboard. And if you might see the project option here, just click on extend to make sure that you can use extended display. You can also check for physical cables that they're connecting there. So once you have checked your physical cables, you just have to make sure that your display is not detecting, or if it's still facing the same issue, so you just have to go to device manager. Just go to search and here to search for device manager. Open this and here you must see your display adapters. Click on it to expand it. Right click on your display or graphic driver. Click on update driver. Then click on search automatically for drivers. So it will search for drivers if there will be any update. So it will be updated. Or you can also install, or very first do this uninstall. Click on uninstall device. Once this uninstalled, you just have to completely restart your PC as quickly as you can. So after restarting, you have to make sure that your display adapter has been reinstalled, or if it's not, just go to settings and go to soft Windows update here, and you just have to update your window from here, so it will auto reinstall and re-download the display adapters. And after reinstalling display adapters, your issue will be fixed and you will not get that issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.